Hello everyone, this is Anuj from Gadget. Today we have with us the Amazfit GTS 4 mini smartwatch, and in this video we will do the unboxing and we'll show you how it performs. So starting with the unboxing, in the front of the box we have the Amazfit branding and the picture of the smartwatch. And here we have the model GTS 4 mini, and it's a compact and powerful health smartwatch. At this side we have the key features such as ultra slim and lightweight, 1.65-inch HD AMOLED display, 120 plus sports modes, and you also get the smart sports recognition. You get the 24 hours heart rate, SpO2 and the stress monitoring. At the back of the box, we can see the companion app Zepp is available for both Android and iOS platform. And here we can see the color, which is the midnight black, and apart from that, this smartwatch is available in a few different colors. Now let's open the box and show you the content. So here we have our smartwatch itself, and we have the tagline "Up Your Game." And guys, my first impression about this smartwatch that it feels well built and also very lightweight. We will look at this smartwatch in a moment. Let's see what else we have in the box. So here we have the user guide, and in this we have the detailed info about the features of this smartwatch. And then we get this charging cable, and it's a magnetic cable which connects at the back of the smartwatch like this. So that's all we have in the box. Now let's look at the smartwatch closely. Amazfit GTS 4 mini, as the name suggests, is a compact smartwatch. And looking at the design, we have a compact smartwatch but with amazing build quality. I find the design of this watch very good, and it doesn't feel cheap at all. You get the metal body in this watch and also chamfered edges, which gives this watch a premium look and feel. The straps are also of good quality and they feel soft on the wrist, but design wise, I'm personally not a fan of this type of strap design as I find them little difficult to tie on the wrist. Now in terms of the overview, we have the 1.65-inch HD AMOLED display, and here we have the curved glass with very minimal bezels on all four sides. Though the size of the display is not that small, but the overall form factor of this smartwatch makes it suitable for the smaller wrist size people or for females. Now looking at the side, we have the function button with the Amazfit branding. And at the back we have the sensors, and here we have the heart rate sensor along with the charging points. And guys, at the side of the watch, we have the mic for Alexa. Now let's turn it on and pair it with our phone. So for pairing, we need the app Zepp, which is my favorite companion app for a smartwatch. The pairing process is really simple. Just go to the add device section and then scan the QR code. And that's it. Your smartwatch is now ready to use. And guys, when we connected the watch for the first time, we got the firmware update. So here we have the watch updated. Now let's go through the menu. So here we are on the watch face, and upon long pressing, you can switch between different watch faces. By default we get 2 watch faces, but you can add more through the companion app. Now about the overview. Swiping down from the top shows you the quick settings, and here we have the brightness, torch, DND, lock, and on the next page we have the theater mode, always screen on, find phone, and the settings of the watch. To access the notification history, you would need to swipe up from the bottom, and when you swipe left from the right side, you have the quick apps such as activity status, heart rate, weather, and so on. There is also a widget page which you can access by swiping right from the left side. Now to access the main menu, you need to press the crown button, and here we have the main menu. And guys, I'm sure you might have noticed it already by now that the touch response of this watch is really good and there is no lag in the menu, and the UI feels quite smooth. So in the menu first we have the PAI, which shows your score based on your fitness activities, and then we have the heart rate. And guys, the detection in this watch is quite fast and the data is also accurate, and the same thing we have noticed with the SpO2 monitoring. There is one more option we have here, and like the GTS 3, we have the one tap measurement, and here it measures the stress, heart rate, and the SpO2 all at one page. After that in the menu we have the workout, and in this watch you get 120 plus sports modes, and they're also neatly categorized. And also guys, this smartwatch comes with built-in GPS, so this means you'll have more info about the altitude, pace, and so on while running and cycling. Next in the menu we have the workout history, and here you can see the history of your workouts. After that we have the workout status, and here you can see the training load, VO2 max, and the full recovery time. After that in the menu we have the stress monitoring, and this watch supports all day stress monitoring. Then in the menu we have the activity, and here you can see your step count and other fitness data of the current day. Then in the menu we have the sleep, and here it will show you the last night's sleep data. After that in the menu we have the weather, and here you can see the current weather condition and also the forecast for the day. You also get some more details in regards to the current weather and also forecast for upcoming few days. Next we have the music, and here you can control the music on your phone and also increase or decrease the volume. After that we have the alarm, calendar and the settings. In the settings first we have the watch face and time settings, and here you can select the watch face and set the time and date format. After that in the settings we have the display, and here we have the brightness. And guys, about the brightness, you get the auto brightness support in this smartwatch. And then we have the screen on time and the always on display settings. And here you can select the always on display style or keep it to follow the watch face. Then in the settings we have the wake on wrist raise, which is the raise to wake feature, and it works perfectly in this smartwatch. And you can also turn off the display by covering the display with your palm. And also you can wake up the screen by double tapping on the display. After that we have the screen on upon notification option, which turns on the display when you get any alert on the watch. After that we have the vibration settings, workout settings, and here you can turn on the auto sport detection. But guys, this will consume more battery. And in this, you can select the types of sports modes which you want the watch to auto recognize. After that we have few more settings such as DND, off wrist lock, and the long press side button shortcut app. By default it's Alexa, and guys, talking about the Alexa more, it works very well and the response time is also very less. So there is no speaker in the watch and you get the response through the text only. Then in the settings we have the app list and widget settings, and also the Alexa and watch language option. And then finally we have the system settings, which includes the usual power off, reset and the restart option. Now coming back to the menu, there is also a more menu, and in this, first we have the sun and moon, which shows you the sunrise and sunset timings, and also the moonrise and moonset timings. After that we have the compass, and then we have the cycle tracking for females. And after that we have the breathe, by which you can do some breathing exercises. After that we have the stopwatch, countdown with some preset timers, and the find phone option, which plays a loud tone on your phone. And after that we have the world clock, which you can sync through the app. And then we have the to-do list, Pomodoro timer for better focus. And then we have the camera remote to remotely control the camera of your phone. But you need to enable this through the companion app. And once enabled, it works with the native camera app of your phone. So guys, that's all the features we have in the watch. And to be honest, this watch is feature rich and you get all the premium and the essential feature. There is also one more thing which I must mention here, that you have the mini app support in this watch. And with this, you can download more apps in the watch through the companion app, such as this calculator, and here it is installed on the watch. Now about the companion app, I have covered the Zepp app many times in our previous videos of Amazfit watches. So today, I'll be showing you just the main features. So here we are on the home page, and here you have all the fitness data. And then we have the device page, and here we have the settings for the connected device. In the settings first we have the health monitoring, and here you can enable the auto heart rate monitoring, assisted sleep monitoring, and also sleep breathing quality monitoring, which will give you better sleep tracking information. After that we have the auto stress monitoring, as well as the auto SpO2 monitoring. Then in the settings we have the notifications and reminders, and here we have the incoming call alert. And in this, you can set the incoming call alert settings, and you can also manage preset replies from here. And talking about it, here is how you get the call alert. So you can silent the call or reject the call from the watch itself, and also you can send preset replies when you swipe up. And here is how you get the app alert. And guys, we don't have the preset replies for social media, but we do get the emoji support in this smartwatch. Then in the settings we have the watch face store, and here we have the available cloud-based watch faces, and they are also neatly categorized. After that we have the app store, and as mentioned earlier, you can install the mini apps from here onto your watch. Then in the settings we have the watch settings, and here we have the settings related to display and brightness, sound and vibration, and so on. After that we have the Alexa settings, and from here you can set up Alexa by logging in with your Amazon account. So overall the Amazfit GTS 4 Mini is a compact yet a powerful smartwatch. You're getting good designed smartwatch, and the build quality is definitely very good. The fitness data is accurate, and the sleep tracking is one of the best we have tested in a smartwatch. The watch is very comfortable to wear, and due to its compact design and lightweight, it feels very good on the wrist. But again, this smartwatch is more suitable for people with smaller wrist size or for females. Now the main question is if it's worth buying. So guys, at ₹7,999, we think the Amazfit GTS 4 Mini is priced slightly on the higher side. And at ₹9,999, you get the GTS 2 with the Bluetooth calling, and at ₹5,999, you get the original GTS, which offers somewhat very similar options. No doubt the GTS 4 Mini is a very good smartwatch, but we think it should be priced at around 6,000 rupees. And if you're not in a hurry, then we recommend you to wait for some deals and offers on this smartwatch. And also, as usual, if you like it and want to buy one, then do check the buy link in the description below. So that's it guys, this was the unboxing and review of the Amazfit GTS 4 mini smartwatch. Let us know if you like it, and also do tell us if you have any queries or questions about this smartwatch in the comment section below. So that's all for now. If you like this video, then please press the like button and subscribe to our channel Gadget Gig for more videos like this. Once again, this is Anuj signing off, and I'll see you in the next one.